Have you ever wondered why internal medicine board exams throw so many curveballs, and yet so many doctors say MedStudy helped them pass with confidence? Let's break that down. Imagine you're on your clinical rotation and a patient walks in with fatigue, pallor, and spoon-shaped nails. Iron deficiency anemia, right? But what's the first-line test? What labs confirm it? What if it's refractory? MedStudy's Internal Medicine Board 2022-2023 video series doesn't just give you facts. It teaches you how to think clinically, step by step. From high-yield cardiology cases to tricky endocrine disorders, and even pulmonology pearls that actually stick, this 18-video set compresses the most board-relevant content into digestible, memory-friendly segments. You won't just memorize, you'll master. One thing I love is how each topic is broken down by pattern recognition. Take heart failure, for example. It's not just about ejection fraction. It's about understanding how preload, afterload, and neurohormonal systems interact in real patients. That's why MedStudy doesn't waste your time. It's laser-focused on clinical thinking and exam strategy. Perfect if you're cramming for Step 2, your IM shelf, or prepping for the ABIM boards. Want to take your studying to the next level? Get the complete 18-video series, the full Internal Medicine Mastery Package, through the link in the description. Whether you're in med school, residency, or gearing up for recertification, this is the edge you need. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, share it with your study group, and subscribe for more high-yield medical content. Ready to crush the boards? The full PDF and video series are one click away. Don't miss it.